everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Instagram as an app on PC. So to start, open any browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or whichever you prefer. So I'm using Google Chrome. So once you open that, go ahead to the search bar and search for Instagram. So go to instagram.com, click on enter. Now once you're on the main page, what you need to do is click on this download icon at the top where it says install Instagram. So if you click that, so this will appear right here and click on install and it will be installed to your PC. Now another thing you can do is to click the three dots at the top right, go to cast, save and share and click on install Instagram. You can also create shortcut. So we're going to click that and click on install to confirm the action. And as you can see, Instagram is now installed to my PC. So I can now log in and use Instagram as usual. Now, if I want to uninstall Instagram, so just click on this three dots right here to look for uninstall Instagram. So click on that. You can also check this box right here to remove this app's data from Chrome and click on uninstall. And that's it, super simple. Another way you can uninstall it is to go to settings. Now go to apps, go to installed apps and click the search bar and search for Instagram. So if you find it, you will see three dots at the left side. So just click on that and click on uninstall and confirm the action. And that's basically it. That's how you can install Instagram as an app on your PC. Thanks for watching.